Oerlikon started in Thailand 20 years back, and our main focus was here on the molding industry, but later we also captured the automotive market very well. And today we are catering not only to the automotive market, but also started venturing into the aerospace, semiconductor, and lot of other markets. My name is Pravin Shirse. I am the country president for Oerlikon, India and Southeast Asia countries.
Gopinath here. I am Director Sales and Operation for Oerlikon Thailand.
Oerlikon is a global surface solution company which provides different kind of surface solutions. One is major is the PVD coatings on tooling industry, on luxury goods, and also thermal spray solutions on aerospace applications.
Now the Thailand market is especially in aerospace, semiconductor and home appliances, it's growing very well. Oerlikon offering in Thailand both thin film and thick film. We are PVD coating, nitriding and also every year we are introducing some new process. This year we introduced Caldera and also Brocher grinding. And now we are selling a lot of equipment in PVD machines as well as thermal spray machines.
Here we are in Metalex as Oerlikon group actually, from the Oerlikon team to serve the market of Thailand and actually to serve the market globally from precision components, from tools and from the forming tool side, die casting, plastic, whatever you need to solve your problems for surface solutions, we are ready to help you.